What up, y'all? It's Timmy. So you're about to watch a high school reunion done the right way, maybe. I don't know. I've got two buddies coming up from North Georgia mountains up to Alaska right now. They're on the plane, and I haven't seen them in basically 20 years. So we're gonna go spend a week out in the woods doing crazy stuff, and well, just come along with us for the ride. Here we go.
We made it to Anchorage.
It's like that. It's the last light you're gonna see.
What's up? We about to go hit it again. Ride it a lift. There he is. He's killing it. Kill it, dog. Hell yeah. My man. Hitting it hard out.
Up, heading out to McLaren Lodge, Denali Highway with the Georgia Poas. Word up. Here we go. Not too shabby. Made it to the lodge, baby. Zach just showed us the room. Shower in the middle of nowhere. Unreal. yeah, so that was the week. Had an awesome time. Like I said, I hadn't seen the boys in like 20 years, actually. Graduated high school in 2000, just this year, 2020. So it's a long time to not see some people that you're good buddies with back in the day. So glad it turned out awesome. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't, if you want to see some more stuff. I'm trying to cover different topics every time, attempting to cover interesting stuff. So hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.